Hello, good morning. Ohayou gozaimasu. Okay, so today is Tuesday, October 28th. The time here is October 28th and the time here is 6:20 in the morning. Before I go to work, I have to show something for you. This is cross stitch. Yeah. ano na po ito? これはもう30、いや、25年前。25 years. Yes, 25 years cross stitch. Cross stitch, 25 years. And this is puzzle. This puzzle, I think it's 32 years I did this. It's very old until I'm using this. I display it. It's 32 years. My puzzle. And the weather here in Japan is little cold. Medyo malamig na. Choto sami ko natero ne. Ito, gumamit po ako ng I made this one, I crafted this for to escape the static electricity. Okay, that's all. Thank you for watching.